Hi, I'm Canva AI. Whether you're creating social posts, presentations, videos, logos, or marketing content, I'll help you design beautiful visuals in just a few clicks. Canva AI combines powerful design tools with artificial intelligence, so anyone can create professional content without advanced design skills. From social graphics to presentations, videos, documents, and marketing, Canva makes designing faster and more creative. Let's start by creating a social media post. Instead of designing everything manually, Canva AI generates polished layouts, color combinations, and typography, all from a simple prompt. Beautiful design in seconds. Next, let's create a presentation. Canva AI builds clean slide layouts, professional visuals, titles, and icons, and structures your content for you. Finish presentations in minutes instead of hours. And here's where it really shines. From a single idea, Canva speeds up your whole workflow. It sparks creativity and makes professional design accessible for everyone. That's the magic of Canva AI. And that's Canva AI. Social posts, presentations, videos, logos, or full brand designs. Canva helps you turn ideas into professional designs faster than ever. Try it yourself and subscribe. A new AI tool in every video.